Yo, what is up, everybody? And today we're gonna have to talk about the new VibePods earbuds. So this is the unboxing. It's 5.1. What's it called? V5.1, which is Bluetooth wireless earbuds. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So yeah. Hold on. Oh my god, that scared me. Hey, did I just accidentally play something on my computer? Jeez, it was my music, man. It was actually my Spotify account. Oh wait, where is it? Was it? No, this is glued into it. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I just keep pressing this space bar. Okay, good. I thought it's gonna be like still going. So we got the VibePods. Oh my! And the case is a little bit bigger. It's actually bigger than my Galaxy Buds Plus. Hold on, let me get my Galaxy Buds. Okay, this is my daily driver earbuds, and look at the size. This is actually a little bit bigger, but I prefer this earbuds over the other in size because, you know, it's more portable. We got that glass in here. So we got the earbuds. Oh my god, okay. That's some pretty good earbuds. Nothing inside. Put that to the side, and we got some instruction manual and some ear tips inside of it. Put that to the side. Get that satisfying pure. And then we'll open it up. Oh, this one goes here. Oh my god. Okay, they're fully charged. Okay, the left one is fully charged, but the right is not. 92%, that's cool. So guys, I'll be right back once I get these things paired up. Actually, you know what? Let's start a pairing process. So let's go to the phone. Go to the Bluetooth settings in the phone. Phone connection, Bluetooth. Open it up. It should show something. No. What's it called? Course mode, no. Smart tag. Okay, TWS 5.1. Couldn't connect. What? I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just got this one paired up to my phone, and let me tell you guys, this thing is absolute bass heavy. The bass is so high, like very good, like bass booming thing. This thing has good mids, good lows, and good highs. So yeah, I'm not really like an audiophile or anything. I'm just showing you guys the sound. So with this Galaxy Buds, this Galaxy Buds right here has an app, whereas this one doesn't. And right now they're having a sale. I think $30 for in the US. But if you guys are in the UK, 29 pounds or 20 pounds. I don't know the calculation for that, but if you guys are in other countries besides the UK and the US, I don't want to show up the entire calculation, but you guys can translate that currency if you want to. So yeah, that's how it is. So in this part, they have a little door where you can open it. So you got USB-A and micro USB. So I just opened up the little bag that I showed you. So this one has a micro USB. That would have been so much better if you have one of those ports right here. My Galaxy Buds right here. That would have been better if you have this port into this one. And one of the good things is about this earbuds in this case is that they're completely weatherproof. So if you guys want to see how it goes, let me show you. I'm gonna go to my bathroom. Let me try to completely seal up the door. Make sure, here we go. Now we open it up. I'm gonna put a little bit because I'm not gonna risk it just in case. The weatherproof, look. That's because I have the case on. Hold on. Look. The weatherproof. That is so cool. I'm so happy for this little thing I have. That is really cool. Hold up. Alright guys, so overall, this is a very good pair of earbuds. So online, I don't see no reviews on this about this thing, unfortunately, but the only thing I can see about this earbuds online in terms of YouTube videos is the little commercial or ad about these earbuds. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment and subscribe, and hopefully we can make it up to like a lot of subscribers. So peace.